Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are tired of free-to-play games bombarding you with in-app purchases and pay-to-win tactics, this video is made for you. Fortunately, there are still amazing one-time purchase games with no hidden costs. You pay once and you own the game forever. If you enjoy videos like this, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Game number 1, GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition. Experience the classic open-world adventure of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on your iPhone with enhanced graphics and improved controls. Play as Carl C.J. Johnson, who returns to Los Santos after his mother's death. Navigate through a sprawling map that includes 3 cities and rural areas. Engage in missions involving gang wars, heists, and deep storylines. Drive cars, ride bikes, fly planes, and explore a vast world filled with activities like gambling, customizing cars, and more. The Definitive Edition brings better visuals and performance, making it a must-play for fans of action-adventure games like me. GTA San Andreas is my favorite game of all time.
I need this more than you, I think. You gotta fuck out of here. Dang, we'll drop you off in the hood.
Game number 2, Little Nightmares. Little Nightmares is a creepy puzzle platformer game where you play as a small girl trapped in a mysterious and grim world called the Maw. Solve puzzles to escape this creepy world. The game features a unique art style with dark atmospheric environments. The storytelling is wordless but powerful, relying on visuals and sounds to create a haunting experience. It's perfect for players who enjoy suspense and exploration. Game number 3, MudRunner. MudRunner lets you take control of powerful, all-terrain vehicles and drive through challenging off-road environments. Your goal is to deliver cargo across muddy roads, rivers, and rough terrain in Siberia. The game features realistic physics, so mud and water affect how your vehicle handles. Choose from 16 different vehicles, each with its own characteristics. Use equipment like winches to overcome obstacles. It's a rewarding simulation game for those who enjoy strategy and problem solving in driving. I really enjoyed this game. Game number 4, Grid Autosport. Grid Autosport brings high-speed racing to your iPhone with console-quality graphics. Choose from over 100 cars and race on over 100 tracks across various disciplines like touring, endurance, and street racing. The game offers customizable difficulty levels, so both beginners and experienced racers can enjoy it. There are no in-app purchases, you get the complete game upfront. With its realistic handling and diverse events, it's one of the best racing games available on mobile. I really enjoy playing this game, especially with the PlayStation controller. Game number 5, Hitman Blood Money. Play as Agent 47 in Hitman Blood Money, a stealth action game where you carry out assassination missions around the world. Plan your approach carefully, use disguises, choose from a variety of weapons, and decide whether to be invisible or aggressive. Each mission offers multiple ways to eliminate targets, providing great replay value. The game emphasizes strategy and creativity, letting you decide how to be the perfect assassin. This game is a true masterpiece. Game number 6, Monopoly. Enjoy the classic board game Monopoly right on your iPhone. Play solo against AI opponents or with friends in multiplayer mode, both online and offline. Buy and trade properties, build houses and hotels, and try to bankrupt your opponents to win. The game offers different boards and customizable house rules, so you can play the way you like. It's a fun and convenient way to enjoy Monopoly anywhere. I don't know why, but I'm playing this game on airplanes. Game number 7, Farming Simulator. Become a modern farmer in Farming Simulator. Plant and harvest crops like wheat, corn and sunflowers. Raise animals such as cows, pigs and sheep. Use over 100 real farming vehicles and tools from famous manufacturers. Manage and expand your farm, sell your produce and reinvest in better equipment. The game offers a realistic and detailed farming experience, ideal for players interested in simulation and management games. Game number 8, Forgotten Memories. Forgotten Memories is a survival horror game that combines exploration, puzzles and combat. You play as Rose Hawkins, researching for a missing girl in a strange and scary place. The game features high-quality graphics and a deeply atmospheric environment. This game is inspired by classic horror games, offering a compelling story and spine-chilling experience for fans of the genre. Game number 9, The Room 3. The Room 3 is a puzzle game where you explore a series of rooms filled with interesting mechanisms and puzzles. Trapped on a remote island, you must solve challenging puzzles to progress. The game features touch controls that let you interact with objects in intuitive ways. With its rich visuals and immersive atmosphere, it offers hours of brain-teasing entertainment. There is also a hint system to help if you get stuck. Game number 10, Limbo. In Limbo, you have to guide a young boy through a dark and mysterious world in search of his sister. This puzzle platformer features a monochromatic art style and haunting atmosphere. You'll face traps, puzzles and creatures as you navigate challenging environments. The game tells its story without words, creating a unique and thought-provoking experience. It's praised for its simplicity and emotional depth. Game number 11, OK Golf. OK Golf is a relaxing and easy-to-play golf game with simple drag-and-release controls. You can play quick rounds on beautifully designed courses inspired by real locations. There are no clubs or complicated mechanisms, just aim, adjust your power and swing. The game is suitable for all ages and perfect for casual gaming sessions. Unlock new courses and challenges as you improve your skills. Game number 12, Wreckfest. Wreckfest is a demolition racing game where you can race and crash in epic collisions, drive a variety of cars, from old bangers to speedy racers, all of which can be upgraded and customized. The game's realistic physics and damage modeling makes every race unpredictable. Participate in demolition derbies, race on unconventional tracks, and enjoy the thrill of smashing and being smashed. It's great fun for those who love chaotic racing action. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out my other video on the best free games for your iPhone. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Peace.